Introducing the Emissions Compatible Diesel Power Source Compound Kit for the 6.7 Cummins. This added turbo compound kit is made for the 2007.5 to 2018 6.7 Dodge Ram and is capable of running with or without emissions and all EGR components intact. It replaces the stock cast iron exhaust elbow on the stock turbo with our innovative high-flow compound hot pipe. Then adds a large S400 turbo and other piping, which creates an efficient, quick-spooling sequential system that keeps the stock exhaust brake. It increases horsepower by approximately 23%, decreases EGTs by 2 to 400 degrees, improves fuel efficiency, and runs with or without emissions. The all-new Diesel Power Source emissions-friendly 6.7 added turbo compound kit.